Supplement of the season, guys. Welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to make simple stew for your rice. It's that season again where we eat rice and rice over and over. So sit tight and see how we're gonna make a very delicious stew with just this. Okay, in this video I'll be using Titus fish. You can use any protein of your choice. I'll use my crayfish and some eggs. I practically use just 2 eggs because we're talking about low budget meal. So these are my ingredients, and you can use any of your choice. I'll be adding salt and seasoning, thyme, and then I'll use ugu. Ugu is very fine for this kind of stew because it tends to last longer than salive and is like. So sit tight and let our ingredients ready. Everything we need for this stew is practically ready. We start the activities. In a dry hot pot, I added my vegetable oil and added a little onions to know when the oil is very hot. Then I went in with the all onions I'll be using. I added my ginger garlic paste, went in with my chopped tomatoes. I actually chopped my tomatoes because it's always nicer for this kind of stew we're trying to make now. And if you blend your tomatoes, it won't be a bad idea at the same time. So but I like it roughly blended. I allow it to cook on a low heat for 10 to 15 minutes to make sure the sour taste is all out. Okay. Then I noticed that the oil has started settling on top while the tomatoes goes down. That means it's practically ready to season. For me, I now went with my spices and then added my roughly blended pepper. I also stirred till it's well combined. Allow it to cook for few minutes. You don't allow this stew to be so fried, like very dry while frying. I now tested it to know the level of salt and then adjust. Allow to cook for some time. Your stew is ready, guys. At this point, I added my fish stock and the entire fish. Allow it to cook for some time and then added my egg. Guys, this stew is so yummy and so easy to make. The only thing that takes time is the preparing of the ingredients, which are not more. Thank you if you're still watching to this point. I'm sure you found this video helpful. Would you be trying this kind of stew this season, or would you be frying your stew always? This is another type of stew, you know, other than making the regular stew. You just give it a twist. Everybody will like it. Anyone around literally enjoy this food, and even the kids also enjoyed it, especially the eggs, you know. So would you be trying it? Let me know in the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share, as I appreciate your stay and I would love to welcome you on board, darling. This delicious stew can be paired with rice, spaghetti, beans, yam, whatever you know you need your stew for. This is a perfect match for it, guys. This season is a season of rice. I don't know what we see in rice, guys. When you make this delicious stew, don't forget to share. Remember, there is love in sharing, and it's a season of love, you know, the reason of the season. Please share, show some love, okay? And just know that I love you from this end. One for you, one for me. See you in my next video, darling. Bye.